In today's video, we're discussing the 7 heart-healthy foods for adults over age 50. If you're over 50, you've probably started to notice that your heart and your overall health are more important than ever. After all, according to the American Heart Association, cardiovascular disease is the leading cause of death in the U.S., and heart disease is responsible for nearly 1 in every 4 deaths in people over 65. So what can you do about it? Luckily, there are lots of healthy foods that can help keep your ticker ticking strong, and they don't even have to be boring. Here are 7 heart-healthy foods for adults over age 50 that are easy to incorporate into your diet. Number 1, beets. Beets are a great way to get your daily dose of heart-healthy potassium. A cup of beets has around 450 milligrams of potassium, which is roughly 8% of the recommended daily value for adults over 50 years old. According to the National Institutes of Health, men should consume around 3,400 milligrams a day, and women should aim for 2,600 milligrams a day. This powerful mineral is essential for proper heart function and helps regulate blood pressure by helping to maintain fluid balance in your blood vessels. In addition, potassium may help to reduce inflammation, which can contribute to plaque buildup in your arteries and increase your risk of stroke or heart attack. Add beets to your salad for a pop of color or roast them for an easy side dish. You can even use them to make a delicious juice. Number 2, walnuts. Walnuts are a great way to get healthy fats and antioxidants in your diet. They can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation, and even boost brain health. Walnuts are a unique nut in that they're high in omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, the same ones that make fruits and vegetables so heart healthy. The omega-3s help lower cholesterol, which means less plaque buildup in your arteries. Antioxidants also help fight off free radicals that cause aging and disease. Walnuts are also rich in vitamin E, which helps keep your skin firm and reduces the appearance of wrinkles by protecting against oxidative stress, which causes cells to age prematurely. Vitamin E also helps protect your heart by reducing the risk of blood clots and lowering blood pressure. Number 3, green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage in many cultures worldwide. It's a great alternative to coffee and other caffeinated drinks, and it's even better for your heart. Green tea contains antioxidants called polyphenols, which are thought to reduce the risk of heart disease. Studies have shown that drinking green tea may help lower cholesterol levels, improve blood pressure, and increase antioxidant activity in the body. It may also help prevent blood clots from forming. A study published in the Journal of Nutrition found that drinking 2 or more cups of green tea per day may help improve cardiovascular health by lowering cholesterol levels and blood pressure. According to the researchers, this effect was most pronounced in those who started drinking green tea regularly at an older age. So let's grab a cup of tea and talk about the good old days. Number 4, leafy greens. When it comes to leafy greens, the more you eat, the better. That's because they are packed with vitamins and minerals that help keep your heart healthy. Here are 2 strong reasons why. Leafy greens contain vitamin K, and there are actually 2 forms of vitamin K, vitamin K1 and vitamin K2. Vitamin K1 is found in leafy greens like spinach, Swiss chard, kale, and lettuce, while vitamin K2 is found in animal products such as egg yolks and grass-fed cows. Vitamin K2 helps regulate calcium levels in your blood, which is important because calcium levels can affect your risk of heart disease. The second reason leafy greens are great is because they contain magnesium. Magnesium helps keep blood pressure under control by relaxing the muscles around your arteries. It also helps lower triglycerides, which can increase your risk of heart disease. 1 cup of cooked spinach provides an impressive 37% of your daily value. The recommended daily value of magnesium is 420 milligrams daily for men and 320 milligrams for women, according to Harvard School of Public Health. Number 5, nut butters. Nut butters are an amazing way to get your protein and healthy fat in one delicious bite. They're also a great way to add some fiber to your diet, as well as antioxidants and other nutrients. Studies have shown that nut butters can help lower cholesterol, reduce inflammation in the body, and even slow down cognitive decline associated with age-related diseases like Alzheimer's. You can use them as a spread on a toast or even as a dip for fresh fruit or vegetables. Just be aware of how much you're eating, because it's very easy to eat more than a serving size, which will cause you to consume more calories than you should. Number 6, flaxseed oil. Flaxseed oil, also known as linoleic acid, is a popular food item for those looking to improve heart health. This oil has been used for centuries to treat conditions like arthritis and gout. The benefits of flaxseed oil are due to its high content of alpha-linoleic acid, which is ALA. ALA is an omega-3 fatty acid that helps reduce inflammation in the body and reduces your risk of developing heart disease by lowering blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Flaxseed oil can be taken in capsule form or added to foods like salad dressings or smoothies. You can also use it as an ingredient in cooking dishes such as stir fries or roasted vegetables. Number 7, fatty fish. Fatty fish is one of the best sources of omega-3 fatty acids, which have been shown to have a wide range of health benefits. Not only are they good for your heart, but they also help to reduce inflammation and may help protect against cancer. In fact, a study published in the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition found that eating fatty fish at least once or twice a week may reduce the risk of stroke by up to 25%. The study looked at nearly 2,500 men and women over the age of 55 who had suffered a stroke. After adjusting for factors like age and gender, researchers found that those who ate fatty fish more than 2 times per week had a lower risk of stroke than those who didn't eat fatty fish at all. You can find fatty fish in many different forms. Salmon, tuna, mackerel, sardines, and trout are just a few of examples. It's never too late to start eating better. Here are some general guidelines that are worth following. Eat more fruits and vegetables. These are nutrient-packed foods that will help keep your heart strong by keeping cholesterol levels low while providing vitamin C, which strengthens the blood vessels. Limit processed foods. Processed foods has little nutritional value, so it's best not to eat too many convenience foods like canned soups, frozen dinners, pre-made pasta, etc. Instead, focus on whole grains like brown rice or quinoa, which have more fiber than refined versions like white pasta, which we all know isn't healthy anyway. These types of grains also contain less sodium, which means they're better for preventing high blood pressure later on down the line. The foods that we eat are the building blocks of our health. Please like the video and subscribe to this channel if you haven't already. Enjoy the rest of your day, and I'll see you on the next video.